In this video, I want to talk about polygons and how we classify them. If this helps you, please like and subscribe for more geometry and other types of math help. A polygon is simply a closed figure formed by connecting line segments endpoint to endpoint. A couple of things here. It's got to be a closed figure, and it's got to be line segments. So an example would be, like a triangle. It's all endpoints connected by line segments. A square, or any kind of rectangle connected by line segments. It could be something that's a little bit weirder, something like this, like close it. But that's still a closed figure. Closed, of course, just means that basically you could find a perimeter. You could enclose an entire shape. You could make a place to put your dog or your cows or something inside it, and they wouldn't get out. So things that aren't polygons, like a circle or an oval, isn't. Something like this that's open isn't. Okay, so it's got to be a closed figure that we can connect with line segments endpoint to endpoint. Now, congruent, we've talked about congruent before, but congruent, remember, means that things are exactly the same. So if two polygons are the same, they have all the same side measurements, they've got all the same angles, they look the same. Now, a convex versus concave polygon is kind of similar to what we talked about when we talked about classifying triangles and angles, in that for something to be convex, all interior angles must be less than 180 degrees. Okay, so by interior, I mean the things that lie inside enclosing the shape. All of those must be less than 180. Okay, so for example, concave, I should say, that's just not true. So right here, this is an example of something that is concave, because this interior angle right here is more than 180, right? Because 180 would be like that, and it goes well past that. So any interior angle, if any interior angle is over 180, we have to classify it as concave. Now, perimeter, the beauty of a polygon is we just add up the sides. Add up all the side length. Okay? Now, another three ways that we can classify polygons. Equilateral. Equilateral simply means all sides are the same. No matter, what shape we're talking about, if we say all the sides are the same, it is an equilateral polygon. Equiangular means all of the angles are the same. Okay. Regular means all sides and all angles are the same. We should use the correct geometry term. They are congruent. So equilateral is just all the sides are congruent. Equiangular means all the angles are congruent. And regular means both are true, the sides and the angles. The easiest example would be a square.